Brain Resource aims to assist hub leaders, playgroup facilitators, parents and carers to understand how the brain learns and grows. Understanding this process helps us all to create the best learning environments we can in playgroup and in the everyday interactions that parents have with their children. It is crucial we understand that child play is brain play and that the brain learns best through the playful interaction that occurs between the child and the important adults in their world. The interaction between the child and the adult is absolutely key to best learning. The brain is the most complex and interconnected organ in the body, and it is the control centre for everything we do. We are born with all our adult brain cells, well over 100 billion of them, but at birth, only 15 to 20% of these cells are actually connected and working, only what we need to survive at that time. By the time a child reaches the age of 3, 90% of their brain cells will have become connected and operational. In this period, millions of new brain cell connections are being made every second, making the years of 0 to 3 the most intensive learning period of a person's life. These are the playgroup years. The most intensive period of learning occurs in the years before school. Our brain cell connections are made through our senses, what we see, hear, taste, touch, smell, move, and of course what we feel. To a newborn child, everything is brand new. And to learn and understand what this is, or what does it do, or how can I use it, a child will use all of their senses to gather as much information about it as they can. And like any good scientist, the brain learns by doing, by copying, by watching, by repetition, and by trial and error. Children will repeat the investigations over and over again until their brain has mapped all the characteristics of this thing, what it does, and how they can use it. Through this play, the brain makes memories. It compares, it creates, it solves problems, and it coordinates every action. The best kind of learning occurs in the play between the child and a loving adult. The adult is in fact the child's best toy. When a child and adult engage in a playful way, the child's brain will light up like fireworks. An explosion of neurons and feel-good hormones create joint moments of joyous discovery, and a desire for more learning is triggered. In this resource, you will find detailed information about the brain and how it wires up through play and playful interaction. The brain tool, which includes a very simple 2D graphic which you can print and use to show how brain cells connect. A set of how-to instructions for use of the tool, a brain dictionary explaining brain terms, and links to useful sites and articles which include video examples of playful adult-child interactions building their brains. Play is learning. The years 0 to 3 are the most intensive learning period for their children, and this is the time to lay the foundations for all future learning, behaviour and long-term health.